Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nina Zoe. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
I'm halfway to 30.
Oh my God. Wow.
How old are you now?
15.
You are really
years.
15 today, princess.
15 years since I was born.
I remember you climbing the plane to go to Cameroon and you were so small with your little legs.
I remember when I almost died in the hospital.
No,
You
don't.
remember?
I don't remember, but I know.
Yes. Yeah, you almost died the day you were born. We rushed back to emergency and you didn't get to sleep with your mother. But you are alive.
I'm alive.
Nina, you are alive. So many good things in your life. Huh?
Yeah. Good grades, good food.
The small things that are making you depressed. Huh? There are a lot of big things that should make you happy. Isn't it?
You know,
You try to focus on the good things. Please don't let depression be a part of your life. You hear me? Okay. Happy
see what
birthday.
Karen gave me.
Very
You
nice.
know I like to do.
Wow.
He got me the pink one. I'm happy for that.
Wow. Oh.
And the difference between this one and the old one is that the camera on the front, not the back, is actually the correct direction.
Yeah,
Isn't
mine.
that
My old camera was wrong.
Wow.
Nå kan du la den være, Nina. Så skal vi gjøre deg klar til skole.
Hey. Okay, got a charger. It's just a manual.
Stickers.
Stickers. They still do this? Oh. What is this? Oh. This is.
The different colors.
You know they have one that's like banana yellow.
Yellow. Wow.
Oh. Oh no, I thought that was a sticker. I thought they stopped with stickers.
There's no stickers.
Let me see.
For reference, mine is green.
Just remove
Yeah,
it.
se på Kevin sin. Vi matcher.
Nei, det gjør vi ikke. Det er det vi ikke gjør. Vi matcher ikke. How bad do I look on the camera?
We're so colorful.